Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to remove special characters in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to remove the special characters. Go to the replace option. Then write the special character on this find box. Search for box, then click replace all. Now we can see we replace all special character very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.